talk about how to sheet is not dismissed with a swipe. How to sheet is not dismissed. How to sheet is not dismissed with a swipe. Okay. So add a condition that prevent. Interactive dismiss disabled modifier in SwiftUI. Interactive dismiss disabled modifier when the view is continued with a processor is a sheet. Okay, is a sheet. So we're gonna create on this examples. This is a new file. This is a new file. We're gonna create on this new file. This is SwiftUI view. Interactive dismiss disabled example. Interactive dismiss disabled example. We're gonna get on the SwiftUI interactive dismiss disabled example. Okay, and we're gonna create on this another structure. Suppose which have a create on this another structure. So in this another structure, we're gonna create on this another structure. Suppose which have another structure, but is not requirement in this UI and informations and UI. So this is a we're gonna create on this environment object. You can say environment @environment and slash dot presentation mode and var presentation mode present. Okay, and we're gonna create on this state property. So we can check on the unknown pattern environment. Okay, we're gonna create on this state property. State private var. Okay, state private var which have in this property name is, suppose this is in property name is interactive in this property interactive disable dismiss which have interactive dismiss which is type of bool and is equal to initial value in this false. Okay, we're gonna assign on the initial value in this false, and we're gonna create on this wish stack. We're gonna create on the first list text. Okay, in this interactive dismiss disable. Okay, interactive dismiss disable property will not apply on this. In this you can design on this UI. Suppose this is a title, and we're gonna apply on this where it is bold, and we're gonna apply on this is a red color. Okay, and we're gonna create on this another text. Suppose which have another text is swipe is not sheet. Okay, we're gonna create on this text swipe is not sheet, and we're gonna create on this toggle and which we're gonna bind on this sheet in this toggle. So in this permissions, and we're gonna apply on this is on. We're gonna bind on this property dollar interactive dismiss. Okay, we're gonna apply on this interactive dismiss, and we're gonna apply on this wish stack padding, and we're gonna apply this. We're gonna bind on this property. Suppose this is a dot interactive dismiss disabled. We're gonna bind on this our property. This is a interactive dismiss property is in this property. We can say confirm on this property. We will bind on this force unwrap. Bind in this property in this force unwrap. Okay, we're gonna create on this example, and we can use on this UI. We're gonna create on this another new SwiftUI view, and we're gonna create on this sheet not present. example. Sheet not present example, we're going to create on the SwiftUI view. Sheet not present, okay, and we're going to create on this, suppose which have, we're going to create on this button dollar state, we're going to create on this property is on, which is type of bool and is equal to false, okay, and we're going to create on this button and this is a is on is equal to true. We're going to send this on property in this true, and we're going to bind on this, suppose this is a text show sheet which have a show which have a not apply on this, this is a show sheet, and we're going to apply on this dot sheet method. In this dot sheet is presented, bind on this property dot is present, sorry, command z dot sheet, so is present in content, I'm going to apply this present in dollar is on, and this nil, we're going to send on this nil, not applying this clause, this is a content, we're going to send this is a interactive disable example view, and we're going to create on this interactive disable example. We're going to preview on this in this preview, just on this preview. So add a condition that prevent interactive dismiss when a view is continued with the processor in this structure. You're gonna check on this issue, continue examples. So in this preview, sorry, in this preview, you're not applying this preview. So in this issue, we're gonna check on this issue, this command, and this is the command slash, okay. We're gonna remove this applications and UI issues, but it's not condition in this sheet. We're gonna resume on this applications and tabbed on this show sheet. This is a present on this sheet, not dismiss in this sheet. This is the not dismiss in this, and we're gonna on is toggle permission in this toggle, and this sheet is removed, and permission, this is a sheet is removed, this is a permission, this sheet is removed. So how to sheet in this dismiss within this while? Add a condition that prevent interactive dismiss disabled when a view is continued, whether it need not apply, need not apply on this sheet, okay. And suppose which have on this interactive example, this is a not apply on this interactive example, okay. We're gonna check on this sheet present, this is sheet present, but is sheet present, but it's a not interactive matter, but it's a not interactive matter, this is sheet is not interactive matter. So we're gonna not apply on this sheet. So running on this sheet is resume on this application and check on this issue. Suppose this is a sheet present on this sheet, okay, and this is a toggle present on this sheet, this is not dismiss, this is a not dismiss in this sheet. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of, we're gonna use of interactive dismiss disable modifier in SwiftUI and IS 40.